Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Maths and Science teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bethiya. In this section, we are going to read about science for class 8, chapter 13, chemical effects of current. Even in previous classes 6 and 7, you have known about electricity and electric current, as well as usage and effects of electric current. As you know that in present time, electricity has become a part of our life, and we cannot imagine our life without electricity. In this class, we are going to read the chemical effects of electric current. So once again we are going to read in brief about heating effects of current, in which you know that when current passes through a coil, it lifts some of the heat and it is used to make hot of a conductor. As bulb, heater, geyser, they are showing us the heating effect of current, in which a coil made up by nichrome, tungsten or any other materials are joined to positive and negative terminal of a cell or battery, and they produce heat. But in second part, as in class 7th, you have read about magnetic effect of current, in which we have seen that how we have made a magnet through the wire. In magnet also we find that coil is used wrapping on a metallic object which acts as a magnet, and this effect is used to make transformer, coil bells, as well as electric magnet. In this class, we are going to read about chemical effects of current, which is widely used in electroplating. So, first of all, we are recalling about good conductors and bad conductors. You know that good conductors are those substances which can pass electricity easily through them. So all metallic objects are called good conductors, while bad conductors are those substances which do not pass electricity to flow through them, as all the non-metals are called bad conductors of electricity. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने पिछले क्लास में सर्किट के बारे में पढ़ा है, सर्किट बनाया भी है, जिसमें आपने क्या देखा कि हम 2 या 3 सेल से एक बैटरी का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं या बैटरी लेते हैं, जिसमें 2 टर्मिनल होते हैं, एक नेगेटिव और दूसरा पॉजिटिव। फिर हम नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से एक वायर निकालते हैं जो किसी एपरेटस तक डायरेक्ट पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं। जैसे हमारे पास एक बल्ब है, मैंने इसको डायरेक्ट दिया, जबकि दूसरे पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल का कनेक्शन एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच से करा देते हैं। जैसे ही यह ऑन ऑफ स्विच हम ऑन करते हैं, बल्ब ग्लो करने लगता है और यह शो करता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी क्या हो रही है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का फ्लो हो रहा है। और जैसे हम इस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कनेक्शन यानी नेगेटिव टर्मिनल्स या पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल किसी भी एक पार्ट को ब्रेक कर देते हैं तो यह इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का प्रवाह रुक जाता है और फिर हमारा यह सर्किट काम करना बंद कर देता है। जैसा कि आप एक सिंपल सर्किट को यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं। अब मैं यहाँ एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच के रूप में इस वायर का यूज कर रहा हूँ। अगर मैं इसको जब ऑन ऑफ स्विच को सटा रहा हूँ तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं, ये सर्किट कंप्लीट हो रहा है एंड आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सर्किट द बल्ब स्टार्ट glowing. Now I am just breaking this circuit by removing these wires, then the bulb stops glowing. Means यह क्या बता रहा है, यह बता रहा है कि सेल से आने वाले जो दो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से जो आवेश आ रहे हैं, ये इस बल्ब को जलने में मदद कर रहे हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर सम ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेस फाउंड इन आवर एनवायरमेंट which help electricity to flow, about which we have just read. Now we can see a simple experiment with water. Now suppose this is the circuit and I am going to check if the water available with us is helpful to pass electricity or not. Now I am pouring some of the water in the vessel and one of the terminal already dipped in one corner of this tumbler, and now I am just dipping another wire with the water. What happens? You see that the bulb start glowing. Now I remove it, it stops glowing, and when this activity repeated again and again, and we find that the water is helpful to pass electricity, so this water is good conductor of electricity. But what happens when this will be done with this chalk? Now I am just applying chalk with this one. What do you find? The bulb does not allow to pass light and it does not glow. Now children, it's time to read books and know about electricity something more. Studied the importance, usage and some effect of electric current in class 6 and 7. You have learned about the heating effect of current and the magnetic effect of current. In this chapter, you are going to learn a different effect of current, namely the chemical effect of current. The understanding of the content of this chapter is based upon your previous knowledge about electricity. So, let us recall some important points briefly. As electricity and its use has become a compulsory part of our lives. The modern and technical lifestyle cannot sustain itself without electricity. All material around us can be classified as good conductors of electricity and bad conductors of electricity based on the amount of electric current they allow to pass through them. All metals and some solutions are good conductors of electricity. Rubber, paper, mica, asbestos, bakelite, dyewood and plastics are bad conductors of electricity. There must be a source of current present in a closed path in order for the current to flow, and whenever current flow through a material, it causes heating of the material. Different materials get heated to different extent. The effect is known as heating effect of current. A conductor carrying current is surrounded by a magnetic field around it. The direction of the magnetic field depends upon the conductor, and this effect is known as magnetic effect of current. So students, about it we have already read just, and we have also seen their usage. Electromagnets and electric generators are a few of the most important applications of the magnetic effect of current. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट और मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट के यूज कहाँ कहाँ होते हैं. नाउ केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट. बिसाइड्स द हीटिंग इफेक्ट एंड द मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट, the electricity can cause a chemical effects also. To understand the how and why of the chemical effect of current, let us first check a few liquids for the electric conductivity. As we have just seen in the project, how the simple water, the common water passes electricity. Can you recall you made an electric tester in the previous class to test whether a given solid material is a good conductor or not? We need a tester to check the conductivity of a liquid also. The tester made earlier is to be slightly modified for liquids. As you have just seen in the project how the electric circuit using tester means water also has been used to find that the electricity is passed through it or not. So in this picture and activity, same circuit has been given. So I will skip to understand about them and just go further. After successfully finding out good conductor of electricity from a given collection of liquid samples, let us try making a tester of different kind. This time you will be making use of magnetic effect of current. Recall that when an electric current flows through a straight conductor and a magnetic compass needle is kept near it, the compass needle shows deflection. माने इस समय क्या होता है कि हम जो सर्किट बनाएंगे वहाँ एक कंपास भी रखेंगे और हम पाएंगे कि जब हम उस सर्किट से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को ओपन करते हैं तो उस समय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के धारा के चलने के कारण कंपास के सुई में एक विक्षेप देखने को मिल सकता है और यह बताता है कि मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट जारी है। नाउ स्किपिंग दिस वन, जस्ट वी go forward and see the next topic, LED. In many of your toys, transformers, pen caps, you must have seen very small light which blink or glow to either give light or indicate whether the device is working or not. जैसा कि आपने अभी सर्किट में भी देखा है, मैंने एक LED का यूज़ किया था और इसी तरह के बहुत सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट और इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट में भी आपने LED यानी लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड के को देखा होगा और उसका यूज भी किया होगा। These lights are at time even smaller than the small bulb of a torch. Actually, these are something different than a ball. These lights are called LED. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. So LED is giving out the different colors, use different chemicals. यानी इसमें अलग अलग केमिकल्स का प्रयोग करके हम उस लाइट के अलग अलग रंगों के प्रकाश को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस सेक्शन वी हैव सीन समथिंग अबाउट केमिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट। इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ वाटर एज वेल एज इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस एंड इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग। So till then, thank you.